Hello and welcome to the UI UX design course created by Ilaje Tech Hub. This is the Module 2, Lesson 1. Lesson 1, User Personas, your fictional user friends. Now, welcome to the Lesson 1 of the Module 2, User Personas, where we'll be talking about your fictional user friends. Today, we introduce you to a powerful tool in your UI UX design arsenal, User Personas. Now, imagine you are designing a mobile app for a clothing store. Wouldn't it be helpful to have a clear understanding of the people who might use your app? Now, user personas act as your fictional user friends, providing valuable insights into your target audience. So, starting with the first question, what are user personas? User personas are fictional characters that represent segments of your target audience. They embody the demographics, behaviors, goals, and pain points of your ideal customers or users. Now, think of them as detailed profiles that bring your target audience to life. Now, let's say, for example, you are designing a food delivery app. You are designing a food delivery app. One of your user personas might be named Sarah. Sarah, a busy young professional who lives in the city and has limited time to cook. Her profile will detail her age, occupation, tech savviness, and frustrations with traditional food delivery services, e.g., long wait times, limited healthy options, and so on. Now, why are user personas important? By understanding your user personas, you can design with a clear user in mind. This leads to several benefits. Number one, empathy. User personas foster empathy for your target audience. By stepping into the shoes of your persona, for example, Sarah here, you can understand her needs and frustrations, leading to more user-friendly designs. The second benefit of why user personas is focused design decisions. User personas help you prioritize features and functionalities that resonate most with your target audience. Instead of designing for everyone, you can tailor your app to truly address Sarah's needs. The last benefit is communication and collaboration. User personas provide a common language for design teams. Everyone involved in the project can refer to Sarah's persona to ensure the app aligns with her goals. Now, how can you build your persona? Building your user personas. So it leads us to the question of how do you create user personas? Now, here is a breakdown to the key elements. The first one is demographics. Age, gender, location, occupation, income level, etc. So think about Sarah's age, job, and living situation. Here we're talking about how to build user personas. In form of your research, so you have to get information regarding the demographics, the age, the gender of the person, the location, occupation, income level, etc. The second one is the behavior. Now, how they use technology, their shopping habits, their preferred method of food ordering. Also, consider how often Sarah cooks at home, how tech savvy she is, and what factors influence her food choices. So here we are looking at Sarah's behavior, right? We're looking at how well she used technology, her shopping habits, her preferred method of food ordering. Maybe she liked to order on app or she used local restaurant. Now the third on how to build your user persona is goals. Now in this video, we are going to look at what they hope to achieve with your product. What does Sarah want from a food delivery app? Convenience, healthy options, fast delivery times, etc. So the last one is pain points. Challenges they face with existing solutions, if there is any. What are Sarah's frustrations with current food delivery services? Long wait times, limited dietary options, or hidden fees. So these are some of the pain points that you might want to consider in the food delivery app. So this is an example that I made right here of what we did previously. This example is of a user persona using Sarah. Sarah, a busy professional who lives in a city and doesn't have enough time to cook. Now, in this place, we have Sarah as our persona here, the busy urban professional. Now, these are demographics. In this place, we say our age is 28 years old. She is a female. She lives in city, let's say Lagos, for example. Now, she works as the marketing manager at a tech startup, and her income level is above average. So the next thing we're going to look at, as I put here, is her behavior. Now, tech savvy, she uses a smartphone for most daily tasks, comfortable with apps and online platforms. So her shopping habits, groceries, online orders with scheduled delivery once a week, busy weekends with limit in-person shoppings, right? I put this there so that you can be able to understand that, okay, this person is a persona that is created for her. Now, with this persona now, we are able to understand what Sarah wants, and we are able to understand her demographics, her behavior, her goals, the pain points, and then also we have some additional notes, something to know about Sarah and how to design for her. So I don't want to go much over this because it's already in the notes. So let's go to the next part. Now let's talk beyond demographics to uncover the user stories. And before that, I want you to know that the persona provides you with a starting point to understand the needs and frustrations of a busy young professional like Sarah. You can adapt and modify the persona further based on the specific functionalities and goals of your food delivery app or any app at all you are working on. Now let's look at beyond demographics to uncover user stories. It is to know that why demographics are important. User persona should go beyond basic data. Now, you try to weave a narrative around your persona. What is a typical day in Sarah's life like? So, what challenges does she face when it comes to food? Now, by incorporating user stories, you can create a more relatable and well-rounded persona that truly reflects the user experience you are aiming to create. Conclusively, user personas are not static characters. As you conduct user research and gather more data, you can refine your personas to ensure they accurately represent your target audience. In the next lesson, we dive into another valuable UX tool, user journey. So stay tuned to learn how to map out the steps users take when interacting with your product. Thank you.